Hello guys, in this video, you will learn how you can do synonyms in Google Docs. To start, open any document that you want. Now select the word that you want to do synonyms. For example, this word, just select that and then right click on your mouse. After that, you can see define. Just tap on that. It will then automatically define the word, and then you can see right here the synonyms of the word. And also you can see the anti-synonyms of this word. But you want to make sure that you have a good internet connection to do this one. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.